Hi guys. So when you get your sticker, you pull it out the envelope, it'll look like this. Don't just peel it straight away. Get a bank card or something something that's quite rigid with a flat edge. Rub it over the top of the sticker with some firm pressure. Flip it over. There is a clear cover on the top. This is to be discarded at the end. Bend the paper back and pull back. If you notice any letters are staying on the paper and not lifting up, just give them a little, lay it back down, give them a push and continue to peel. Flip the sticker over, making sure not to touch the actual adhesive. This is the whole purpose of the clear top tape. Lay it down, rub it over, get the edge of the clear tape, peel it off, and it leaves the sticker behind. Nice and neat. Now, if you get a sticker that doesn't peel up very well, and I will show you this example because Chrome never wants to play ball, you'll see that it's pulling up some bits of it, not the others. So again, lay flat, get your flat edge, your credit card, rub over the top, making sure you pay particular attention to the edges. Flip it over, bend the paper back on itself. You can do it with your hands if you want. If it starts to leave that bit there, pinch them together with your fingers. Keep on peeling, go to that bit, pinch. Okay, so there's the pinch method in your hand, or flip it over, bend that paper back. Like I say, lay it on the surface, rub it over, peel the top tape off, and it leaves the sticker behind perfectly crisp, nice and glossy, and there's no opaque covering on the top. This is to go into the bin. This is not the finished article. Lots of people, when they receive their sticker, they think that it's built into this top tape, and that's not the case. The sticker is on the paper. This is a locking tool, basically keeps everything in the correct positions, the right spacing, and it prevents you from touching the adhesive with your sweaty, greasy fingers. So it allows the adhesive to stay in perfect condition and bond to the surface you're applying it to. Thanks for watching.